How to turn on or turn off network override in developer settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on developer settings. If you do not have developer settings, you need to go into privacy and security and you need to turn on developer mode. Now in here, tap on developer. Then we go down and tap on network override. Now from here, you need to make some changes to the variables in here to turn it on or off. So here, if I select default for cellular and Wi-Fi costs, that will basically turn off network override. If I make any changes, that will turn on network override. Now, the purpose of network override on the iPhone in the developer settings. It is a feature that allows developers to customize and simulate specific network conditions and behaviors for app testing. It is typically used to ensure that apps perform as expected under various network scenarios, such as low bandwidth, high latency, or restricted connections. And if you don't need to use it, you can switch it off. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.